Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Baleno to ACC or on so the head unit is active. This supplies the Bluetooth radio. Once done, enable Bluetooth and make your phone discoverable. That lets the car find it. Next, on the infotainment screen, open the phone or Bluetooth menu and select Add Device to begin scanning. Speak aloud. You're initiating a connection, not just pairing. This ensures calls and audio routes will be registered by the car's system once completed. When the car lists nearby devices, tap your phone's name. If multiple similar names appear, pick the one from your phone. Then confirm the displayed PIN or pairing code on both the infotainment screen and your phone. This prevents accidental connections to other devices. After pairing, the system will ask permission to access contacts and media. Allow both to enable hands-free calling and audio streaming. Make sure to accept these prompts promptly, so the head unit finish by checking the infotainment confirms connected for calls and media, and that audio routes to the car. If you don't get connection, turn Bluetooth off then on, or reboot the phone and the car system. Small resets fix most glitches. If problems persist, delete old pairings on both sides or clear the head unit Bluetooth list. As a last step, consult an authorized service to reset the BT module. This sequence resolves most pairing failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.